Hey, it's Brandon, and today I wanted to talk to you about a new type of sales funnel that I've been running that's been doing pretty well for me and then for some clients I've been working with. So, as you can see in front of me, this is probably what most people think of as your typical funnel, right? You see an ad, and then that ad makes a call to action to a landing page where a customer has to put in their email. Then they're sent to a webinar or some sort of digital asset. And then after that webinar is over, they are given a low ticket offer, maybe even a high ticket offer, and you're trying to convert customers that way. And so this has been tried and true method, and I'm not saying it doesn't work at all. It still works just fine, I'm sure. But the thing is, a lot of people are catching on to this. And not only that, but you're kind of, if you can follow my mouse, you're kind of making a quick ask of people right after they see the ad, right? So they see the ad, you give them a call to action, and you're making your first ask right there. Then they go into a landing page, and before you really give anything besides maybe an introductory sales page, you're making an ask again. So it's kind of a lot going on right there, okay? So I wanted to show you something that I call the 3-jab sales funnel. And for all the Gary Vee fans out there, you probably know where I got that from. But the 3-jab sales funnel looks like this. So here is the 3-jab sales funnel, and let me tell you how this works. So your prospect will see an ad or just any sort of promotional material for you, maybe a PR campaign, a commercial, whatever. All right, and when they click on that ad or they go to that page, you're going to send them to a landing page with a webinar or with an asset there, so you're helping them automatically. They don't have to do anything. They don't have to sign up for a list. They don't have to put in any information. You're just helping them. Maybe give them a short 15-minute video on whatever your industry is, whatever solves a problem related to your work. All right, and then, or after you show the webinar, you ask them, you say, hey, I've got some bonus content related to the content in this webinar. If you put in your email address below, then I will send you that bonus content. If not, no harm, no foul, and move on, and you create a little brand awareness. But here's the thing. In the ad, you've helped them. On the landing page with the webinar, you've really helped them. And now you've just asked for kind of an email and an email only to get some bonus content. So by the time they get to that email and enter their email in, you've helped them 2, maybe 3 times. Now then here's where it gets even cooler. Is once you put that email in for bonus content, they're going to be entered into a drip email campaign. And at the end of that campaign, you're going to ask for, or you're going to make some sort of offer, be it an upsell, be it a program, whatever product you have. But before you make that offer, you're going to send 3 drip emails with additional helpful content. So this is why it's called the 3-jab sales funnel, because in the ad, ideally you should be helping them, but let's say your ad doesn't help. You're sending them to a webinar that's helpful, you're sending them bonus content that's helpful, and then when they have to register for the bonus content, you put them into a drip email sequence that helps them 3 times before you even ask for any money or make an offer to them and ask them to pay you or give them an exchange of value. So it's pretty cool. Basically, it's just helping people up front a lot more and then making the ask for money versus doing it right up front. So you're building trust, and believe me, this is going to build a lot more trust and brand awareness than that first one I showed you. I'm Brandon Stiles. I'm a digital marketer out of Atlanta. Please subscribe to the channel if that was helpful, and I will see you soon.